Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can speed up Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The first thing that I want to show you is in the settings. So we're gonna go to device care. Now over here tap on memory. And now over here we will have the clean now button. So press it in order to release some memory back. And after a short while some apps will be closed and you will get back some memory. In addition to that, we also have the RAM Plus, which allows you to extend the memory by using the phone storage. So you can also use it and set it to 8 GB if possible, if you don't have that option set like that yet. Now, another thing that I want to show you is in the storage. So we can free up some storage and uninstall unused apps. So if you tap on storage, over here you will find trash, where you can completely remove everything. If you go over here, you will find every app that has trash. And if you have any items in them, then you will find them over here. And you can remove everything over here in order to release some space and therefore also speed up your device a little bit. Below we have also unused apps. So if you don't use any apps, then you can select them over here and then uninstall, as they will also use your device a little bit. Now, the next thing that I want to show you is reduce animation. Although it is a visual thing, it will definitely feel like the device is working a little bit faster. So now in the settings, we want to go to accessibility and then go to vision enhancements. And here we have reduce animations. So over here we can enable and disable them. And as you can see, if you go back or if you enter any option, then there is this transition pages going up and down. And if you disable or reduce animations, then you don't have them. So it feels like the device is working a little bit faster. And finally, the last thing that I want to show you is the high refresh rate option. So we need to go to display settings, and now over here go to motion smoothness. Make sure that the screen's refresh rate is set to adaptive, as it will allow you to use the 120 hertz refresh rate. Sorry once again. So the experience of using your device will definitely be smoother than compared to standard. I promise you, if you switch from the adaptive to standard, the device will feel like lagging. I'm not sure if this is visible on the video, but for the naked eye, it's definitely visible, and you don't want to switch to standard if you prefer to have better visual experience. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.